of the Emirates Travel Agents Cricket Tournament. What a blockbuster 2 days of cricket festivities we've had here at the historical ground. It's time for the presentation ceremony to get underway. The champion of the season number 3, that is the TBO Warriors. Can we all give them a big round of applause? The runners-up team, that is the Al-Hind Pacers. They played superb cricket to get here. The number 3 team is BCD Challengers. A big round of applause for them. The number 4 team, that is the Precol Strikers. So those are the 4 best teams. Yes, we get started with the prize distribution ceremony. First and foremost, the man of the match for the first semi-final match. The man of the match for the first semi-final match goes to Sabai from TBO Warriors. 16 runs and 2 wickets. To do the honors, may I request Mr. Lalit Kumar to please step forward. The man of the match award to be given away at the hands of Lalit Kumar. That is Sabai. The first semi-final match. He had a key role to play in the fortunes of team TBO Warriors. He had a key role to play. So one of the best players in the team, that is Sabai. And to do the honors of giving away the Man of the Match award for the second semi-final match, may I request Mr. Praveen Kumar to please come up, step forward. Mr. Praveen Kumar. Congratulations, Sabai. Well done. Mr. Praveen Kumar will present the Man of the Match award for the second semi-final match, and the winner is Devendran. Devendran, the Man of the Match award winner, is from Al-Hind Pacers. Receives this award at the hands of Mr. Praveen Kumar from Team Emirates. One individual snap. Congratulations, well done, Devendran. Hard luck that you all could not win the championship trophy, but you all have played some brilliant cricket, so you can enjoy the party. Congratulations. And now to hand over the Man of the Match award for the final, may I request Nawabzada Mohammad Asif Ali sir to please do the honors. To the player who's made the biggest impact in the grand finale, it is Yogesh Kumar. 35 runs of only 9 balls. On 9 ball, 35 runs, he's looked the class apart, isn't he? Terrific player, a super player, and he receives the award at the hands of Nawabzada sir, the player of the grand finale. 9 ball, 35, and he retires, and 1 dot ball in it. So you can imagine what kind of an innings is played. And now we get towards the tournament prizes. We move ahead to be giving away the best bowlers trophy. To do the honors of giving away the best bowlers trophy, may I invite Mr. Ram Kalyan to please come forward, step forward. Mr. Ram Kalyan. The best bowler of the tournament goes to a TBO Warriors player, that is Sabai. 5 wickets in the tournament, Sabai. Such an accomplished team, TBO Warriors. They are a team very rich on batting, bowling and fielding. Not just very good tennis cricketers, but also very good leather ball cricketers. One individual snap for the best bowler of the tournament. Can we give it up for Sabai? Well done. And now this is quite an interesting batter coming up to collect the best batsman of the tournament. 72 runs is what he posted in the tournament. That is Mandara Shetty. I'll request Mr. Karthik to do the honors. Mr. Karthik from Team Emirates. The best batsman of the tournament. A very naturally gifted player. Very unorthodox in his approach. He's got his own ways of scoring those big runs and taking those wickets. He's the heart and soul of the team. So yes, congratulations, well done. The best batsman of the tournament, Mandara Shetty. He's going to be cherishing this trophy. And now we move towards the most glamorous player of the tournament, the man of the series. That goes to the player who's obviously made the biggest impact. For me, this player has been an absolute revelation. The find of the tournament, Yogesh Kumar, it is the man of the series. To do the honors, once again, I'll request Nawab sir to please hand over the trophy. He's looked a class apart. He's looked in a different zone. Lips and bounds ahead of the rest of the lot. It's been that good. So congratulations. Yogesh, a word or two with you. Congratulations. We've seen you perform for the first time. You really mesmerized everybody with that super performance. Match after match, you grew in confidence, you grew in stature, and that 9-ball 35 on the biggest stage in a grand finale, that was pure magic.
ये सारा कुछ जो भी हुआ है वो पवन भैया के सपोर्ट से हुआ है और टीवीओ हमारे जो मालिक हैं अंकुश सर उनकी सपोर्ट से हुआ है और हमारा यही है कि आगे जितने भी हमें मौके मिलेंगे हम अच्छा करके देंगे.
चलिए, अच्छे क्रिकेट के साथ एक देसी तड़का भी लगाया है, ये मजेदार बात है. A super player, congratulations, well done. And now may I invite the team that is at the 4th position to come up and collect their trophy and prize. May I request our senior commercial manager Clinton Lewis sir to please do the honors. Number 4 team, that is Precol Strikers, led by the captain will come to collect the trophy, and then the whole team comes for a team snap. The captain will come up first to collect the trophy. Can we have a big round of applause for Precol Strikers, one of the best teams in the tournament. Not a bad performance, so you should be proud of your guys. Karthik, Mr. Clinton Lewis handing over the prize, and deservingly has got Krishna alongside him. Krishna had a big role to play in the team getting here. The whole team comes up now for one group snap, the whole team. Please, in quick time, the whole team, Precol Strikers. Karthik, be ready for a small chat. Yeah, half the team kneels down. Adi team niche kneel down karegi, so that we all fit in one frame. So that is Precol Strikers with our chief guest and the top brass management from Chennai Emirates. Congratulations, well done Precol Strikers. I'm sure next year you all will go up one notch higher. Maybe even the champion team you could be the next year. So well done. Karthik, I have a job to do, so stay back. Karthik, do not take anybody's advice. Just let it come out of your heart. Just summarize the whole journey for you. This is the big stage. Your team really did well to get here. What's going on in your mind?
Actually, it's hard luck for us. I don't know what to say. We are all upset right now.
Why do you have to be upset? You came to the semi-finals. You all played such good cricket. Next year, maybe you can go one notch higher. Where's the party tonight?
We don't know right now. We don't have any idea.
Anyways, congratulations. It was great for the Chennai Emirates to be having Precol Strikers as one of the participating teams. It's time now for us to hand over the trophy to the... Yes, all the teams will stay back. One group photograph with the trophy, that is for the souvenir. Number 3 team, BCD Challengers. May invite the captain to please come up on stage. That is Captain Nigel and his player. Big round of applause. They were a terrific team. BCD Challengers, a naturally gifted team. They had that X factor going around them. That's Nigel and Riaz. And Mr. Hari Ganesh is doing the honors. The whole team now comes up for the team snap. The whole team. Indeed, BCD Challengers was the team that had the X factor around them. That's the BCD Challengers. Well done. It's time for us to hand over the runners-up trophy. May I invite the captain of team Alin Pacers to please come up and collect the trophy. To do the honors, may I request Mr. Asif Ali, the sales manager Tamil Nadu, to please step up. Mr. Asif Ali, one of the key organizing committee members. That's the captain Rahul. Never mind how long the party goes into the night, you have to report tomorrow at your work desk right at 9:30 a.m. कितनी भी लंबी पार्टी चले 9:30 को आप ऑफिस में पहुंचेगा. Congratulations Rahul, and he's going to be inviting the whole team now. The whole team comes up. Alin Pacers. पूरी टीम ऊपर आएगी एक टीम स्नैप के लिए. बहुत ही शानदार क्रिकेट खेला, बहुत ही उम्दा क्रिकेट खेला टीम अलिंद पेसर्स ने. पूरी तरह से अपनी टीम की काबिलियत में विश्वास रखा राहुल ने. सकारात्मक क्रिकेट खेला, लेकिन ग्रैंड फिनाले में थोड़ी सी एफर्ट कम गिरी एंड दे लॉस्ट टू अ बेटर टीम. सो नथिंग टू बाव योर हेड इन शेम. यू ऑल वर टेरिफिक. यू ऑल प्लेड सम सुपर्ब क्रिकेट. आइए सर जल्दी. मैडम प्लीज कम. We are into the final moments of the prize distribution ceremony. Just another 5 minutes, and we all would have been a part of a historical third season of the Emirates Travel Agents Cricket Tournament. That's a full team in attendance. The runners-up of season 2, that is Alin Pacers. Congratulations, well done. Yes, we will talk to Rahul.
Rahul, stay back.
Rahul.
Stay back.
Yes, I'll request Mr. Nigel also to please step up. Congratulations that you made the grand finale. You had a broad smile when you won the toss, but that smile is still on. That is the best part. Winning or losing is a part and parcel. You're lost to a better team. What's going on in your mind, buddy?
First of all, I like to thank the whole Emirates team, which they have conducted a 2 days of excellent tournament. And coming back to this game, I will thank all the opponents who have fought against us. They have given a much sporty game. And a special thanks to BCD. They have given in very good support for us in the pavilion. So, coming back to my players, they have given their best. They have done all their works correctly, so that we have achieved something. Winning or losing is not a matter. It's a part of sport. But losing against a strong team, that too against TBO, yeah, we are glad to be lost against the TBO. So anyhow, we won.
Yes, ultimately you all won because you all lost to a better team, so there's nothing to bow your head in shame. Congratulations. We will love to have Alind for all our outdoor cricket events, all the events. Congratulations, well done. It's time for us to have a small chat with Mr. Nigel, the captain of Team BCD Challengers. When the tournament started, Nigel, the way you played that first match, we all thought that your team would be the dark horse tournament, and if you would have made the cut to the grand finale, we wouldn't have been surprised at all. Your team has that X factor going around it. So yes, how will you summarize this whole journey?
Well, it's been a long journey. It's almost a year that we got this bunch together. Last year we lost in the first round to the eventual winners TBO, so we wanted to do better this year. So we were the underdogs, but then I think I'm proud of the guys for whatever we have achieved. Even though we lost to the eventual winners, so there's nothing wrong with that. So we'll come back stronger next year, and maybe we'll lift that one next time.
Thank you, BCD Challengers, for providing that entertainment. Thank you. And now it's time for the champion team of the season 3 of the Emirates Travel Agents Cricket Tournament, the Chennai edition. Can we welcome the captain Pawan on stage to do the honors? May I request Mr. Sudhi, the regional manager South India, and also Nawab sir jointly to give away the award, jointly give away the trophy. Mr. Sudhir Sukumaran and Nawab sir. The whole team now. Congratulations, Pawan. Ankush Bhai is watching you. Yeah, I'll read that message from Mr. Ankush. The whole team comes along, a few injured soldiers, a few injured warriors. What a team. Just look at the talent, the skill set out here. That is unmatched. So that is the champion team of season 3. Emirates Travel Agents Cricket Tournament, the Chennai edition, the defending champions, defending their title in great style. To be putting up 95 plus on the board in a grand finale. That is a testimony to the kind of team that this TBO Warriors is. Well done, guys. We have one very important ceremony to be done. I'll request our chief guest for the evening, Nawab sir, to please do the honors. We've got 2 umpires to be thanking for that wonderful job. May I request Mr. Rosario Anthon and Mr. Shivakumar to please step up. Mr. Rosarian Anthony Kevin, the umpire, will be handed over a special medal on behalf of Emirates Chennai, and to do the honors it is Nawab Zada sir. The umpire, please come up and collect your appreciation medal. That's Rosario Anthony Kevin. He did a very good job. Please take your medal. It's a thankless job. So well done. Also, Shiva Kumar, one more umpire gets the medal at the hands of Nawabzada sir. Also, pat on the back. And now to present the vote of thanks, the closing remarks, I'll invite Mr. Sudhir to please present his closing remarks. Yeah. Before we talk to the captain, there's one message for all of us on behalf of Mr. Ankush Nijawan. On behalf of TBO, Mr. Ankush Nijawan and Warriors, we would like to thank Mr. Sudhir and everybody at the Emirates Chennai team for the amazing and fabulous tournament. Nothing brings the trade and country together than cricket is what he says. Thank you once again, and we shall come back in 2026 to defend the cup for the third consecutive time. Mr. Nijawan could not come this year due to some urgent, unavoidable circumstances. Definitely, he will be here the next time around. So that's a message from Mr. Ankush Nijawan. Yes, we will look to have a chat with Pawan. पवन, आपके कंधों पर एक बहुत ही अहम जिम्मेवारी थी। डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस के लिहाज से एक बड़ा स्टेटमेंट और दमदार क्रिकेट खेलना यह बनता था, और आपने सभी को मंत्रमुग्ध किया जिस तरह का शानदार क्रिकेट खेला। ऐसा लगा जैसे कि आपकी टीम एक क्लास अपार्ट है। क्या कहेंगे?
Basically, thanks to everyone out here, Mr. Sudhir and sir, everyone Emirates belongs to Emirates Airlines, and I love to my all teammates to thanks everyone, and they performed very well throughout the tournament and organized by Emirates Airlines. Such a beautiful tournament organized, and food is fantastic. We didn't miss the Indian Delhi food. Thank you very much.
So yes, that's the happy captain for team TBO Warriors. And now to present the closing remarks, over to Mr. Sudhir for one last time.
First of all, I'm here just to do the last thank you. Thanks to Nawab Saab, Asif Ali, for giving us this ground, allowing us to conduct this tournament here, and giving us such a fantastic facility inside the city. A big thanks to all the teams, all the 16 teams that participated this time. It was fantastic participation. The way they played, the camaraderie that was shown among the cricketers was fantastic. A big thanks to my colleagues, Asif, Hari, Clinton, Madhu, and all the others who coordinated with Zoota, Shushrat and his team. Fantastic job. Congratulations once again for a very well organized tournament. As I said earlier, we are planning to take this, make this an annual event, and we hope to take this even bigger, hopefully to Dubai next year. After we the finalists, the winners will come to Dubai. Is the plan for an all India tournament. That's what we hope to do for next year. We would like to thank all the other organizers, including the guys who supplied the food. Very good feedback this time. Whether all the meals, everybody was very happy. We need to keep up this standard, and hopefully it will continue in the years to come. And I tell Nawab Saab that we will be here next year. Looking forward to your support again. We love coming here, and I think we've made this ground of yours much better, and everybody is so happy about having this event here. You can also say a few words, sir.
My congratulations to Emirates, first of all, for organizing a fantastic tournament. Mr. Sudhir, Mr. Asif Ali, Hari, Mr. Clinton, and all of you. Every team who has played here, you played well, but there should be only one winner. So I congratulate the winner and all of the team members. And every year, you're welcome to come here to Amir Mahal. This ground is yours. Emirates is always welcome here. So wish you all the best, and hope to see that this tournament, as you said, it becomes bigger and bigger. And all the winners, going to Dubai and playing a bigger tournament, that sounds fun. Wish you all the best, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So we come to an end of this robust two-day cricket fest at the historical Amir Mahal ground, presented by the Emirates Chennai. The biggest thank you to Nawabzada sir, and as We've promised that we'll be coming back here every year. Yes, so with this, we come to an end. This is your host and host, Nishat Kora, signing off on behalf of Emirates Chennai and Zoota. Thank you, good night, God bless, have a safe party.